Hey guys, welcome back to Hustle for Self. Imagine how our lives used to be. What if things don't come back? Since the outbreak of novel coronavirus, COVID-19 spreading fast outside Wuhan in China, the numbers are increasing significantly. With increasing deaths, here comes the fear, which is far more dangerous than the death. Since the global lockdown, most people are staying quarantined indoors. Instantaneously, the human moment. The smoke from the silencers, honking of vehicles, and everything had came to halt. But suddenly, something beautiful is taking place outside in the world. I think this is the nature's way of healing itself. We humans are not doing anything, and nature cannot see itself deteriorating this way. Although coronavirus is dangerous for mankind, but mankind is not everything. Just imagine if the human world takes 7-day quarantine every year. For the sake of wildlife, how will it be? However, this is not going to happen until another pandemic. Signing off, Corona.